this matter.
What happened at the palace?
The stupid Vandy gate man wouldn't let me see him.
Then you can't go to the police to report until you speak with the prince.
But the gate man wouldn't let me go into the palace.
Babe, you have to calm down, trust me. We will find a way to reach him. He can't be in the palace forever.
Hey, I swear to God, this whole thing is beginning to scare me. Are you sure Rena is still alive? Are you sure something bad has not happened to Urena?
Oh, stop. For once, let's be positive. Nothing is going to happen to her. Calm down.
Amen. I just pray nothing bad happened to her.
Can open now, see you guys tomorrow next. Yeah, bring the other fine one too. Now we day here
My prince. Them born am for club. Na club boy. Club boy. Dorime boy. Don't they practice how it go be today? For midnight.
What are you watching?
I dey watch your brother.
Brother? Go to your GT post.
No, sir.
What is it?
I said go to your GT post.
Sorry, sir.
What is it?
Everywhere good. Everywhere good.
Busybody. What is it?
Please.
Any problem?
Everywhere good. You do alright. One love, you do okay. No wahala. You are sharp. You do okay.
No hiding place for you. Imelalo. Keep up work. Boy feel no no. Cherema de royal. Cherema de royal.
Sir, where you they go? In or out?
The sky is dark.
My princess. Machi, my princess.
What are you doing?
I'm cleaning your room.
Oh God. Machi.
My princess.
Oh my God. Machi. How many times do I have to tell you that I don't like anyone doing things for me? I don't like it.
Hi.
Anything I want, I will do it myself. I have hands, can't you see?
I know, my princess. But you know that my job in this palace is not to clean and do other things. Now if you ask me not to do it, they will sack me and probably throw me out of this palace. Please, allow me more.
Nobody, I mean and I repeat, nobody is going to sack you unjustly. I will never allow that to happen. Okay, so just pack up this and go to your room. Go and get some rest.
My princess, I know, but I beg, please, let me move it now. Biko.
Machi, oh my goodness, don't you get it? Just go. Okay, better to just leave it. I will do it.
Yeah. Are you sure?
Machi, wait. Oh, please, there is something I need to ask you. Have you in any way noticed any strange behavior from my brother?
Your brother? That is the prince now.
Do I have another sibling?
Yes, the prince. The prince. No, I know I didn't notice anything. Are you worried about him?
Yes, I'm worried about him. I feel There is something. There is something going on with my brother, but I can't place it. I don't know.
You worry too much. You know we just lost the king. Maybe that is his own way of grieving. So don't disturb yourself.
Machi. No, I don't believe that. He's more than my father. Yes. There is something going on with my brother. Please, I'm begging you. Put an eye on my brother. If you notice anything, just let me know.
Okay. As you talk, no problem. Right now, I got my eyes on the prince. Then if I notice anything, I'll come and tell you.
It's okay.
Okay.
So you can go, please.
But make I just go cool more time.
Machi, please. I beg you. Just go. I will do it myself.
Now you talk, Amo.
Oh no! As no na abagashu ngambani na gabaya nana. Akwo chisi mujire bujira ya modo. Ara shogede bula mbugo ya tupo na mi odi chana no senu. Oh, the illegitimate son of late Igweudej lives.
Yes, there's some more. I heard about it some time ago. But he should not be seen anywhere around our kingdom.
Huh? Why are you saying so? No, why do you say so about a full-grown man? A man that royal blood runs through his veins. Why are you sounding this way?
Wait a minute, Ezemo. Are you in any way in support of that boy's return to our kingdom?
I am not just supporting the boy's return to our kingdom. I want to see him right on that throne.
But you know quite all right, Ezemo, that boy's mother was not married by our king. And that is what makes him an illegitimate son that cannot be seen in that throne. Yes.
Oh no. Who are you really supporting? Are you supporting that young man that does not know anything about our tradition, that has no respect, no regard about our tradition? I mean, a wayward child of his late father that has not contributed anything. In fact, he's not even ready to contribute anything for the progress or stability of our kingdom. Is he the kind of person you are thinking of? Now, let me tell you. Allow your gray hairs to tap from the unseen wisdom into that your head for the purpose of right thinking. For you to think properly. I am telling you because of your position in this kingdom. Hear this. Ife is several times better than Ugoeze in Anuya. That is the truth.
But you know that will be a serious, grave offenses. Yes. And please do not allow the kingmakers to hear this. Because of the Romanante.
I have said it.
I'm out here.
Gente. Oh no, I will have to allow you a second chance to have a rethink. If for no other reason, because of your position in this kingdom. Just take it as a privilege before I make my declaration.
What proclamation are you talking about? Anyway, I'm out here. I come out there. I'm out.
The spirit is angry, you must confess.
said you wanted to see me. What's going on?
There is a very big problem, my prince.
Problem? What is it?
Very serious problem, my prince.
What is it?
The girl you killed is disturbing me.
The girl you killed is disturbing you. Are you a killer? What happened?
I'm seeing ghosts. This has never happened before.
You are seeing ghosts. Are you sure you're okay? That might be malaria symptom.
My prince, I'm serious. I'm not joking here.
But you're not running temperature now. What's wrong with you?
The girl that died in your hotel room.
Is this guy mad or what? The girl that died where? Which girl?
Oh, you are trying to deny your involvement in this crime, Abi?
I don't know what you are talking about. I'm not a killer. I've never killed before. So what is all this you kill somebody is coming after you? If you kill somebody and the ghost is coming after you, confess to the church and go to the police. Simple, not here.
That's what you are trying to tell me, Abi Okwaya? You are trying to, I promise you, the whole kingdom will hear about this thing.
Don't make me kill you. I don't know what you're talking about. Leave this premises, okay? See your doctor, and if you have confession, go to the church. If you have stress, see your doctor. If you have threat of life, you go to the police, okay?
Oh, this is how you want to do it, Abi? This is what you want to do. I promise you, we will go down together. You can't do something and allow me to go. You will go down with me, my prince.
No, you will go down alone. Huh? People like us don't go down, huh? So get out. See your doctor. I don't know what you're talking about. No problem. Nobody will believe
The
you.
spirit is restless. The spirit is angry.
Economic function. How to manage small salary for 30 days. Psychological and emotional support function. No, I don't do emotional already. Economic function. Now there I like. Economy make I find how to save money. How to manage small salary.
No one can see it, just only you can see it. You must pay, you must pay.
So you no go finish before 30 days. Sexual, that one go finish the money sharp. Sexual waiting. Education. But wetin be that? Excuse me. Wetin you drop like that?
No, you are asking me. They ask me. You don't know what is this? Eh?
Wait, I don't understand something. Now my food you keep for granted like that.
No, now wetin e be?
Oh God. Now my food you throw away like a one keta like a dog food like that for granted.
Not be your food. President General, I salute you. What do you want me to do? To stand here, watching you, reading that nonsense, instead of you to take the food from me?
Imagine. You see why I don't say for this life you can never ever have sense again.
I no get sense.
You no be say you no get sense. Which one be you no get sense? You will never get sense again even if you try. They don't close your chapter.
You go the sense mila. You the sense mila. Sensima. Well done.
Come. This one, you see this thing will happen, Not be your fault. No be your fault. I know say seniority, maturity. Senior don't dey your, now they get respect. Now home training, now you lack like this. Not be your fault. Now from people who train you.
Don't be your fault.
Don't worry.
I don't be.
Come. Pick your rubbish before you go.
I should carry the food.
Take your nonsense. Immediately carry it. I'm not interested.
Dimba, I should carry this food.
With immediate effect.
Make I carry and they go, no problem.
Come first. Come.
No, stand up. You want to talk to me, you stand up.
Mama, come.
I will not, I will go.
Come. Don't worry. Keep on. Come drop am, don't worry.
You have to apologize.
So if I tell you to
you go beg me for me to drop the food. So you can actually carry the food.
They go.
So you feel carry am?
Carry your dead body.
You are waiting for me.
Just they go.
Otondo.
I don't blame you. The people will employ me and one animal.
Now you be animal.
Employ one human being.
Now you be animal.
What is
So
the
you go come out for this palace, leave me. I will make sure say I pursue you for this palace. You go leave this palace for me. Make you better.
They employ one human being and one animal. I think I read finish before I go know whether hunger. How to manage small salary for before 30 days. You go still finish.
What's going on here?
Oh my God. But you're back. Oh, you're welcome. I actually saw a rat crawl into your room. So I followed it. That was what I was looking for, but I can't find the rat anywhere. Hey, I can't find it.
This is a palace. We don't have rats around here.
Brother, are you saying that I'm lying?
I never said that. Are you sure of what you saw?
Of course. Have I told you any lies before? You know I can never lie to you.
All right. Leave.
Okay, let me go and call the security. To come and take care of everything. You're welcome. That was quite brief.
No hiding place for you. Email alone. Keep up work. A boy feel alone. No. Jeremiah the royal. Jeremiah the royal. Now the sky is dark. No one can see it. Just only you can see it. You must
Hey! Where are you going?
I am here to see the prince.
You are here to see the prince. This place look like hotel for your eye. No, this place be like nightclub. Where you go just come, run, they enter. Waiting they worry you, where they go?
I swear you are a stupid man. So because I refuse your advances at me, right?
Who be this girl? Who be this quick? Come on, come here. Me, advances at you. So if it's small talk where they follow you talk, you don't use big English advances. Now so you go take a line now. Say I dey toast you. Now what you want go talk there and I said.
Yeah, you not toasting me.
You are very stupid. Come on,
You are a
shut up your
hopeless
mouth.
man. Yes.
You dey curse me.
Look, listen to me. I am here to see the prince or whoever that is in the palace today, and you will not stop me.
Oh yeah, you go disappear, enter there now. You go disappear, just look who and disappear, enter there.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Leave me alone now. Leave me alone now. You are looking for my job. You know, Christ. Leave her. Leave her. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave her.
Come over here.
Leave her. Leave her alone. Leave me. Leave her alone. What did happen? What is going on? My dear, what is it? See me see trouble. Oh. Look at this idiot. This fool that has been making advances at me. Hey! Because I refused it. Hey! So now what are you doing for you?
What are you talking about?
You heard me.
Okay, wait. See, you see women. Once you have small issue with men, you just lie. When I don't get another lie, you go just lie. He's trying to touch me. Some go say he want to rape me. Some go say he's trying to touch me. That pattern don't go.
It's okay, my young lady. What brought you to the palace?
Please help me. I want to see the prince or the queen or whoever that's in the palace. Please. It's urgent, please. Okay. Help me.
Hold on. Dimpa, you know here what she did talk.
What did she talk?
She said she want to see the prince or the queen. And she said it's an emergency.
When she talk say it's an emergency.
You know hear her.
No be urgent she talk now. Not be urgent. She get what she says.
Leave this block brain now you be. You no sabi anything. Now to sit down here, they chop and open gate. Now you sabi. Emergency and the urgent. What is the difference?
Come on, Mumu. Come on,
get out from here. I don't even have your time. The prince, this guy, the prince. Leave it. You leave me alone. My queen, prince, my queen. Prince Uganda. My queen. What is going on there? I am not going anywhere. My queen. I am not the feedback. This lady wants to
Hey, stop there now.
Let her in.
Ma?
Are you stupid? I said let her in.
She left our lodge to go see the prince. Today made it the 5th day, and she's not yet back.
You said my son invited her on a date, as in the prince of the Selu kingdom?
Yes, my friend.
And what is the name of this your friend and roommate?
Ubenna is her name, my friend.
Are you sure it's my son she went out to see, not another person?
My friend, to be honest with you, I was with my roommate when he invited my roommate to come on a date with him. It's your son, my friend.
Well, my son is not at home at the moment, but I will speak to him once he returns.
Okay, my friend. It's just that I want to know if all is well with her. Since she left our lodge, her phone line has not been connecting.
Like I said earlier, I will speak to my son. You may come back tomorrow.
Okay, my friend.
Are you sure you don't want anything?
No, my friend. I beg to take my leave now. Thank you.
And you? What are you doing standing there?
I'm sorry, ma. I came to serve her.
Look that out of my sight.
Thank you.
Ogechi, come on. Leno, my baby. Okay, come on. Ogechi, come on. Leno, my baby. Okay, come on.
Timba, have you noticed? There's something happening in this palace. Let me share it with you.
You want to share what with who? No, what do you say you want to share with me? Madam, get out from here. Get out from here, Joe. See, me and you see, in this life, me and you will never have any sharing for this life. There is nothing where go make me and you share something in common. No, starting when? When this one starts?
Wait now. Calm down. There is problem, oh. This thing I want to tell you is a serious matter.
Madam, carry your serious matter. Get out from here. Get out with your serious matter.
Listen now. Okay, you see this thing. I think it's about the prince. It's a matter of life and death.
I know. You see that death, now your death. Life, you don't carry your life. Come here, Nabi. If you no come up for here in the next 2 minutes, you go see the death part, and now your death go drop here. Your dead body go drop here now. Get out from here, John.
You don't want to listen to me.
I don't want to listen to you. You, after everything where you don't do me for this palace.
Okay, sorry, Oya, see. Listen.
Madam, I no get ear for you. I no get ear where you listen to you. Get out. No matter what you want to talk for this life, I don't go give you ear. Come on for here.
You don't do no shut.
Can you imagine? You want to flirt with me. You are trying to flirt with me. After everything you do me, you want to share. You share what? You want to flirt with me. You are looking for who to date. Girl like you, they know they date them, not datey. They go datey you. Anema. Ogechi, oh come on, Leno my baby, okay, come on, come on.
So you took pictures of her corpse. To crown it all, you are sending them to me. Why? What am I supposed to do with those pictures? Why are you being silly?
My prince, I'm just respecting you. It's out of respect. That's why I've not gone to the police.
You're very, very stupid. Like you're mad. Don't you know sitting before me is a privilege? Report to the police now. What will you tell them? Is my face in any of those pictures?
I will tell the police. I will
tell them how stupid you have been. How you killed an innocent girl and disposed her corpse. Innit? You tell them what?
She's here.
How stupid you've been.
The girl you killed.
Who is here? The girl you killed?
She's here, the lady.
Okay. Enjoy her company. I have no business with the dead and I'm too big for this nonsense.
Where are you going to?
Go TV.
The spirit is angry.
Come back here.
You must confess. This is no longer funny at all. The spirit is restless. The spirit is angry.
What will you be doing in this kind of place, knowing that this place is not safe for a prince like you?
I just eased myself.
I know. Please start going back to the palace. Immediately, not just immediately. And stop all this your irresponsible downstairs. Can't you see that the children are just making jest of you? Oh, it's like you don't know who you are.
Saw me doing something wrong?
Yes! Are you telling me you don't know what you were doing?
Keep it to yourself.
No hiding place for you. Email alone. Keep up work. Boy, feel no. Jeremiah the royal. Jeremiah the royal. Now the sky is dark. No one can see it.
She said her name is Chinelo. That you invited her friend on a date.
Chinelo. That I invited her friend Uren on a date.
Yes.
Are you sure I'm the one she's looking for? Because I've not seen or heard about that name.
Well, she also said that she hasn't seen or heard from her since she went on a date with you.
Huh. Mom, are you sure she's referring to me? She might be mistaking me for someone else.
Well, I was surprised on hearing that. Anyway, I will let her know when she comes tomorrow. I pray her friend is alright too.
I pray she finds her friend too, but Mom, you need to be careful. Stop opening doors for strangers. You don't know her mission. She might be an informant, spying on us, and you are welcoming her like that. Now, have you forgotten the security challenges around here? Be careful. Just be careful. Stop opening doors for people. Right. How come I didn't remember she has a roommate? Gosh. I need to take care of her. Dubem, on the other hand, is also a big threat. I need to take care of him before he comes out with the truth. Though I have a way to defend myself, but I don't want the people to lose trust and confidence in me. That might affect my ascension to the throne. I have to do something.
My dear, I've asked my son what you said the other day. And clearly, he knows nothing about your friend.
That's impossible, my queen. I was with my roommate when he invited her on a date. What's he not saying? Is he trying to deny it?
There is a possibility that you are referring to a wrong person, not my son. He said he has no knowledge of anybody by that name. And I'm sorry about it.
This is a joke, right? No. This is a joke. You know what? Please, I need to speak with the prince. Where is he? Prince Ugeze! Prince Ugeze! Prince Ugeze!
Excuse you?
Excuse me too! I need to speak with the prince. He has to tell me what happened to my friend. Because I am sure she left to go and see him. Yes!
Young girl, please, can you calm down?
Don't tell me to calm down. There's nothing to be calm about. You people have to provide my friend or I take this up. Yes! I am not going anywhere.
How dare you to speak to me in that manner?
I am not going anywhere. You people should provide my friend.
Get out of my house.
You people should provide my friend.
Get out of my house.
I am not going anywhere.
Out of my house. No, take this idiot out of my house. Look at this riffraff. Do you know who you are speaking to?
Mom, please, I beg you. Please, I'm begging you in the name of God. Just calm down. Young lady, are you sure the person you're referring to is actually the right person?
I know the prince of Iselu Kingdom. I am not mad yet. I still have my sanity intact to know that he invited my friend on a date. Till date, I haven't seen my friend.
This idiot
out
of my house before I run over myself.
You people should provide my friend. Wait. You people have to provide my friend.
Take her out. I will put you out of my house myself. Get out of my house. How dare you? Are you mad? How dare you?
Leave me! I'm not going anywhere! Leave me alone! 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 Open this gate! Open this gate!
Enter now!
Open this gate! Open this gate and tell me what happened to my friend!
You're a fool.
You people will tell me what you did to my friend! Open this gate!
You are a big fool!
You stupid fool! Open this gate!
Come and enter!
Open this gate!
This place is your father's one room and parlor. And water.
I will tell the whole town what you people did to my friend. I will tell the whole world what you people did to my friend. I will tell you. Open this gate and tell me what you did to my friend. Open this gate.
For you, email alone. Keep up work, boy, feel no Cherema the royal.
Mother, honestly, we shouldn't have bundled her out of the palace the way we did. That is really not nice.
What would you have me do? She obviously came here to insult me. Imagine the guts.
All the same, Mom. All the same. We should have heard from her. At least, allow her to speak her mind. Okay, Mom, what if she goes out there to spread fake news about my brother? We haven't even heard from the prince. What are we going to do about that?
Maya, your brother said he doesn't know her. I told you that, right?
Mom, even if my brother doesn't know her, we should have still given her the benefit of doubt. Better still, allow her to wait for my brother. What if my brother comes back and then recognizes this particular girl we're talking about? What if?
She doesn't know who she's looking for. But I pray her friend returns. Yes, I do. But my son said he doesn't know anything about this girl. And we should respect that. Or don't you trust your brother anymore? No, tell me. Don't you?
No, what are you trying to say? You mean you saw bloodstains on the prince's clothes?
Yes.
That day?
Yeah. And since that day I've been thinking, why was that blood stain on his clothes? I'm telling you, not until that girl came here, claiming that the prince went out with her girlfriend. And since that day, she has not seen her friend.
What do you mean now? No, what do you just talk now? These two things you just said now, how does they link? Two of them, how they take link? Say prince, you see blood for her his clothes. How you take me say na him kill the girl where they carry? Do you know how many men where they carry girl? You don't even know. When a man carries a girl like this, as you carry am, now that time where you never do anything, now you go hold am. Two of una go they do love, they go. Once everything finish, once belt don't lock, now all malam to in kettle. Everybody go in way. You know no. It isn't any girl where you carry. No prince for carry and go house, go drop am. For what? Okay, make I ask you. What if the prince that day, that particular day, saying waka go where elders they share meat, blood can't touch am for clothes?
Bro, what are you even saying?
You don't think go there?
Which one be saying go where they share meat, blood can't touch am for clothes? Eh? I know what is wrong with you. Jealousy. Yes, you are angry because you asked her out, that girl, and she refused you. That's why you are angry.
What you just talk now?
Think of what I'm telling you. Listen and reason with me.
You don't have sense. I swear you don't have sense. So they try to make sense and they talk nonsense. You see why you don't have sense? You they tell me something and they try to convince me, make I understand you, and you are saying jealousy, they insult me on top. How will I listen to you? Get out, John. Go.
Listen, I think the prince has something to do with that missing girl. There's something he's hiding that he's not telling us.
This thing we're just talking about, heavy accusation, shift. Go first, shift. Let them not see me with you. If you delay this kind of accusation on the prince, you shift. I know
what is wrong with you?
No, somebody feel from there and I hear you. They go say, see waiting me and you. They talk I'm alone. Make you be saying on your own thinking. As you don't overthink. Make I warn you. You see this thing where you use prince, they play. I know him once he see you or hear. Person just talk, say somebody say, see what you talk. You see this your tongue. You know that temple? Where would they put food item? Where would they hang them? Now there they go cut your tongue. They go just cut them, hang them. They go hang them from.
I don't blame you. What should I even expect from a dollar like you?
Thank God you say he's very stupid of you. At least you don't agree say it's very stupid of you. At the time you say you're stupid since you don't agree. You don't agree today. Very stupid of you. Korokwa asiri, achokwa me hu gi na asiri ga akokole ya bi eba. Korokwa asiri gi si ebe apo. Anu ohia. You na prince mother. You are calling you already I know they my hand no dey.
My queen is about the prince.
What about him?
My queen, have you not been noticing some strange behavior about the prince?
Strange behavior? None that I have taken a note of.
It has been weird lately. You know, making erotic moves publicly to the jeering of some people. Honestly, it has been disturbing me, my queen, because such can impede him the chances of ascending the throne.
Well, no. My son is the only surviving heir to the throne. I don't see anyone taking it away from him. But I will talk to him for a change. Thank you for bringing this to my notice.
My queen, no need of thanking me. I'm only doing my job. Yes, I'm doing what is expected of me. And that is, protecting and defending the royal family. Or even or even Keta.
I really appreciate that, no. Thank you so much.
The spirit is angry, you must confess. This is no longer fun.
Good day, sir.
Good day. I'm looking for you guys' manager, Dubem. His number has been switched off. Let me see.
I'm sorry, sir. Dubem was involved in a fatal accident and he died immediately.
What?
Yes, sir.
Dubem?
Yes, sir.
Fatal accident. Dead?
Yes.
Okay, this is young.
No hiding place for you. Email alone. Give up work. Boy, feel no. Everybody want to.
Have you heard from the prince?
What is there to hear about? When he had already told his mother that he had no knowledge of Urena.
Honestly, I don't understand. Why is the prince denying the knowledge of her? I mean, is this some of a joke or what? Because I don't know.
I can't believe what is going on. It's obvious. Yes, something bad has happened to Urena. It's obvious.
No.
I can't believe I encouraged her to go on that date. I shouldn't have allowed her to go now.
Stop, please. Just stop, Chinelo. Stop blaming yourself. Going out on a date with the prince is a blessing.
But her has turned to curse. What is all this? I just pray nothing should happen to her.
Chinelo, calm down. Okay, please. She'll be fine. Maybe the prince didn't tell his people, but he's trying to keep her safe. Maybe for people, I mean, for its family not to disturb or something. I don't understand. You think it's complicated?
No matter what, Urena ought to have picked a phone and called me. Besides, he can't keep her like that because he's not married to her yet.
You're right. I mean, Urena would have called. My dear, I need you to calm down, okay? Just put yourself together so at least you just try and talk to the prince.
Talk to the prince, you say? When they threw me out from the palace and shot me out, how will I talk to the prince?
Okay, fine. In that way, we are going to see the prince. I'm going with you today.
You are going with me?
I will.
Thank you so much.
Stop.
His name is Ifed. He has royal blood running through his veins.
Is he the illegitimate son of our late king?
Yes, he is the illegitimate son of our late king. But the gods have chosen him to succeed his late father. Yes, as our new king.
Strange things. Strange. Wonders shall never end. You mean the gods have chosen a bastard to be our next king? Is there more which are the queen?
You know how much you can go? Why say you go cake Mirioko? You boys have money. No, will you lift the chief priest? Am I the one that said so? I said the gods. I said the gods, not me. What is your problem? The thing is this. Listen, the ways of the gods are different from ways of men. Do you understand? And the decision of the gods are always final, anywhere, anytime, because they're always wise.
Can you hear that? This their decision will cause an uprising among our people, and many will revolt against it. Many.
The gods are always wise. I've earlier told you that the gods chose him. So the decision of the gods remains final, and that is the best. Nobody will revolt against anybody. Anyway, that is by the way. The reason I called both of you for this meeting is because I know that both of you are the wisest amongst the entire King's cabinet members. And I want you to do an underground work. When I be fed down, whatever has fallen into the stream, you use your feet to search for it. I want you to do a kind of sensitization for our people. Do it in our people so that they will not support Ugoeze. Let him not get close to that throne. I want you to think about Ifede, who the gods have chosen, who has all it takes to be a king. If you look at him, he has it. He has it. Is it the money? Is it the experience? Is it the physique? I mean, he is the one. Not this one that doesn't have respect for elders, including Ezemo. He knows nothing about tradition. But let me tell you, I will never be part of the kingdom where such will be a king.
Well, I hate his guts too.
Yes,
but
he has no manners. That I know.
But it's only the gods solely have the right to select the new king for us.
Yes, you have just said it. Only the gods. And it is the gods that have done it now. I am telling you, I'm only a mouthpiece. I'm telling you, the gods have done it. I told you earlier, the gods showed us this person that has all it takes to give us what we want in this kingdom. All we need to do is to support him, to make him get there. It will favor us at the end of the day. Like I told you, he has everything, experience, money, physique. I've been saying it. And do you know one thing? The gods have actually favored him.
Everybody want to be the head. Everybody want to be the choosing one. Ogenika na zonu wa ewo. Uwe warazikwa. Uwe warazobi chuku. Ogenika na zonu wa ewo. Uwe warazikwa. Uwe warazobi chuku. No more respect. No more fear of God at all. No more sanity at all. No more respect. No more regard. Sanity is gone. The world has gone. Money rules the world. Blood is like water in their eyes. They have become brutal. No more conscience.
It's obvious. Something bad has happened to Urena. It's obvious.
Who will believe the prince of Iselu Kingdom will be this evil and heartless? I mean, my question is, what has she done to the prince to deserve this?
I guess nothing. Urena is not a troublesome person.
I know.
I have to call her people. So let them know what is going on.
Wait. I'm more than you mean?
Yes. She's the only family Urena has. Hey, God. I can't believe this. I can't believe this. This is not fair.
Chinelo, can you stop,
this
please?
This is not fair. Hey.
Stop, please.
Kaima, what am I going to do? How am I going to explain this? What am I going to do? I swear to God. You see, Prince Ugeze, he will suffer for this.
Amen.
He will suffer for this.
Amen.
I swear to God.
It's okay.
He will never go scot-free. Never.
It's okay. Stop, please.
Listen, I don't know the insane girl that comes here in search of her friend. Neither do I know the friend she's talking about. So let her stop coming, else I will arrest her.
No, brother, you can't say that. The girl is only looking out for her missing friend. So you don't have to blame her.
So whose fault is it? My fault? Is here a police station? If she's looking for her friend, let her go to the police station and report. Not coming here to disturb innocent people.
Well, Ono called. He said he would be here later.
I don't want to see that man, except he's coming alone. If Ezemwa comes here with Ono, I will tear him into pieces. I don't want to see that Ezemwa around this vicinity.
You don't say that, Ugeze. You don't. You need Ezemwa's support. He's the mouthpiece of the gods. Yes. And again, our tradition is not dead. It is what makes us a people. Please be careful with your choice of words.
Yeah, concerning the girl that came here in search of her friend. Mom, I think we should assist her. Yes, we should call the police to assist her in looking for her friend.
Are you that jobless? What are you feeling like, FBI or what? Have you forgotten how porous our security facilities are in this kingdom? Everybody wants the throne. People might be pretending, people might disguise just to get to us. So stop people from coming here. Stop letting people come close to you. Everybody is a suspect until I become king.
Before I forget, Ugeze, Ono told me how you've been embarrassing yourself publicly as of late. What is going on with you?
Mom, nothing serious is happening. Let's focus on the truth. Once I become king, every other thing will be sorted. Please, I need to be in my room. Enough of this question and answer. No.
Are you okay?
No.
But are you okay?
No.
I don't know.
Mom. My guy. My guy, get wetin I dey reason.
Wetin you dey reason, bro?
My guy, I wan make you understand. You see say our oga get money.
Yes.
He get better money.
Better money? Yeah, alright.
And oga no dey even comot him money give us make we take flex our life. But now when he wan give us deal, he go bring money for deal. Once the deal finish, the money don't go. Bro, the reason make we take advantage of this situation, make we make better money from oga.
I don't understand. How do you mean, bro?
My guy, for this business where me and you sabi, this business where me and you dey do, make we kidnap oga.
What? Guy, what do you say? I don't understand.
Guy, calm down, no dey vibrate. Why dey hide your voice? Now me and you dey talk here, you just dey shout, you dey vibrate. Now business I bring can give you. I mean, no one make you change your situation.
You are not making any sense, AGK. You're not making any sense. Shall be kidnapped, Oga? Eh? What kind of insane something are you suggesting here?
Friday, now you dey speak grammar give me. Friday, what do you dey call insane? No. Tell me, what do you dey call insane? Making money, changing your life, taking advantage of the situation. Now you dey call insane. My brother, reason I'm
okay. This is insane. In fact, this is why I hate discussing things with you, because of your poor mentality. In fact, I'm not even there with you. They discuss all this kind of thing. I'm not there with you. One kidnapper.
Reason waiting this poor mentality, they tell you. No be everyday person go dey wear coat under sun. Wear coat, they run around for bush. You finish, they give you small change. They call am poor mentality. I been a poor mentality.
My prince, I am here to intimate you about the challenges ahead your coronation.
Challenges ahead of my coronation?
Yes, my prince.
What could that be?
Your half-brother is interested on that throne.
What? You mean Wanyema's son?
Yes, my queen.
Can a bastard be dragging the throne?
I thought Digwe made it clear. And even our tradition stipulates that an illegitimate son of a king can never inherit the throne.
You are very correct, my queen. But I'm afraid that the chief prince is trying to go against the long-awaiting tradition by putting his weight and support behind that bastard to be thrown.
Now I know my rivals. One is a Mo and one bastard. You see that chief priest? I hate him so much. I hate him with passion.
Ugeze, please be careful with your words.
There is nothing to be careful about. Someone that wants to take what rightfully belongs to me. Once I become king, my first agenda will be destroying that shrine and build something better there. Maybe an amusement park,
Yes, my prince. He's sadly that man. I don't understand him.
Can you imagine?
Oh no, please, don't let this happen. Yes. Don't allow Ezemo to destroy our tradition. The throne belongs to my son, and you know it.
Yes, that is true, my queen. You are very, very correct. I will do my best to make sure that my prince here get the throne. But it requires a lot of conviction. Yes, especially now that the news is everywhere that our prince has gone mad.
What? My brother mad? Who said that?
My prince, you know what I'm talking about.
What are you talking about? That I dance once in a while on the road? That's my hobby. Can't I dance again? Can't I have fun? Come on, I'm not a local boy now. I can dance.
You honestly, my prince, you are free to dance. But the ones I've watched look so erotic that it's causing problem. And I'm afraid if nothing is done, you might lose the throne. Yes, you need to do something very fast. Because the way our people are renting the whole thing, you might lose it all. I will
correct that. I will stop dancing.
Everybody want to be the head. Everybody want to be the choosing one. Okinika na sonu wa ewo. Owa ewarazikwa. Ndo wa ewarazobi chuku. Okinika na sonu wa ewo. Owa ewarazikwa.
Mom? What's the face? You don't look happy. What's bothering you?
Naye.
Mom?
How can I be happy? When the enemy wants to take away what belongs to your brother, how can I be happy?
I thought the king made it clear that he didn't have any intention of getting married to the woman that bettered for him. So, why are you worried, Mom? Moreover, the king was really upset because he wasn't aware till a few years ago. He made it really clear.
If he has the backing of the chief priest, then there is serious trouble. Another thing that is bothering me so much is this thing that is happening to your brother. I don't know why he chose to disgrace himself in public by dancing what I do not know.
Honestly, I have spoken to him on that. I don't know why Ugweze is not taking this throne thing serious. Does he think it's a joke or something? Now there's a challenge. He needs to be himself and be focused.
My dear, I think we need to start monitoring and counseling him. Your father will be so angry if his birthright is taken away from him by that bastard. Yes.
All right.
I don't want to travel outside Nigeria for now. Maybe next year, okay? Thanks. What are you doing around this vicinity?
Confess.
Confess to what? Am I the one that killed you?
Confess.
Listen, I have enemies that are alive, which I'm facing, okay? You are dead. Rest in peace and let me be. Come on and get out of there.
Confess.
Are you the one that killed them, my friend? Are you the one that killed him?
For he that kills by the sword received the same fate.
Stop standing as if I killed you intentionally. It was a mistake. It was a mistake. And so, are you the first person to die? Rest in peace and let me be. I'm battling with the living. You, the dead, you are bringing your own.
Confess.
Nonsense.
Brother Ugoeze, what's happening?
Are you the chief security officer of this palace? What do you mean by what is it?
I overheard you, talking to someone, so I came to find out who the person is.
I was on the phone. Did I tell you I'm in danger?
Okay, that's fine then. Who are you speaking with?
Must you know everything?
The spirit is angry, you must confess.
You want to know?
This is
Sit down
no
and close.
longer funny at all. The spirit is restless. The spirit is angry.
What is it?
Why did you go to my shrine? To destroy things. Why did you destroy things in my shrine? How dare you? Don't ever try that next time. When next you try it, you'll be triggering the wrath of the gods.
Wanda, will you shut up? First, this is GRA. You don't make noise around here. You think is that your local dirty, outdated, archaic hut? Now, while environment, we have real. Secondly, the next time I will visit your shrine, I swear, I will break coconut on your bar head so that you will receive sense, Makachuku. I heard you were busy canvassing for my father's bastard to become king over me. Are you a politician? Ezemo? Eh? Are you a politician? I know you don't like me, fine and good. You must not like me. What revenge your likeness in me? But campaigning for my father's bastard to become king, that's an insult on my person. I swear, the next time you go around talking down on me or telling people that he should be next king, I will set you ablaze.
Now hear this. Hear this. You are not fit for that throne. And the gods have already confirmed that.
How are we sure the gods said that? Drunkard. How do we verify what you told us? Listen, am I a two go? Stop involving the gods. Say when they say, talk when they talk. You don't lock them into what you're doing out of your selfish interest. No. If the gods are quiet, be quiet. Please get lost.
Listen to me. You have every right to say whatever, do whatever against the gods. You equally have the right to face the consequences. Yes. Now listen. Thank you, stars. You are the prince of this land. Earth.
I've struck you. Struggling with what? Elephantiasis. Ibi. Koko. What will you do? Listen. Oka hiji nwe. Anwune. So get out. You're even smelling.
We shall see.
We
shall see. You have right to say anything and you don't have the right to everyone. We shall see.
Jealousy won't kill this one. You want a bastard to become king. Who does that? Mafia.
My queen, I came to see you as a mother. Urena is the only child I had for my late husband. I promised him that I'm going to take care of her till my last breath. She grew up knowing God, avoiding bad friends, and any friendship with any man that is not ready to be her husband. She promised me that she's going to make me proud. She promised me that she's going to take me outside the country to Bodoibo. All of a sudden, her roommate called me and started telling me that Urena is missing. How? How, Sini? Please, I am here to beg you to help me talk to your son. Tell him to provide my daughter for me. Because I heard that she got missing after having on date with him. Because you provide that because let him provide my daughter for me.
Why, Yoma? I understand your pain. Honestly, I wish there's something I can do about this. Right now, my son is not at home. And he has told me countless times that he has nothing to do with your daughter or had any arrangement whatsoever with her.
He lied. And he knew it. He's lying.
How dare you call my son a liar before me in my own house?
My queen, please, I plead on her behalf. I'm sorry about that. But please, help me beg your son. If there's any way he can assist me in search of my daughter, please let him do. Also, one mother so for Pulowa. She's everything I've got in this world. Nothing again because
like I said earlier, my son has nothing to do with your daughter. He has no knowledge of your daughter. Or do you now want him to accept the knowledge of what he doesn't know? I would advise you to take this matter to the police. Yes, because this will be the last time I will have this discussion with any of you.
Madam, honestly, I understand how you feel. I can feel your pain. I know what it feels, losing one's child. I plead with you to please calm down. I have a lot of friends at the policemen. They will help you out in search of your daughter. I'm very positive you will see her. Please, I'm begging you.
It's alright, I'll put myself together like you said. But have it in mind that after every investigations, and I find out that your son's hands are in this, he must face the consequences.
Exactly.
He won't go scot-free. My God will fight for me. My ancestors will fight for me. Even my late husband will fight for me. I will not fight for me. Kamani battalion. They will fight for me because I cannot suffer to raise this girl up to her age now, and all of a sudden she got missing. How's it? They will fight for me. Tell your son to provide my daughter for me, oh. Tell your son to provide my daughter for me.
Your Majesty, with all due respect, we are not going anywhere today. Yes! You people must provide Urena today. For how long? We are talking about a full-grown human here. You people are saying nonsense. Yes! You people must provide Urena today. We have exercised patience enough. For how long? What is all this, Seth? What is all this? Where is Urena? Where is Prince? Where is Ugeze?
Mama, oh God will fight for you. You dey serve God the way be fighter. They go. Your God will fight for you.
You people must provide Urena. You must provide Urena today. Mama, you're not going anywhere. You're staying outside.
Better stay outside. Don't go anywhere. Just stay outside. But then they go now. What did they worry you? Go. People they serve living God. You dey fight warrior. You dey serve warrior. People they serve living God. You dey serve fighter. God will go fight for you. Mpama. But wait, this one where these people they come back here every day, they talk the same thing. Make you not be saying Prince hand no clear. You not be saying in hand no pure. I know that boy is a bad boy. Very bad boy. You know go get to these people they continue, they repeat this thing. I should say this boy hand, you know go clean. I go there very careful here. I go there very careful because you see him wait when he take the water. Next thing he go want use me. Like say he gonna put some hand for some dangerous places. No say to become even of this morning.
You mean he said that to you?
Yes, boss. I was shocked. Can you imagine what was on that guy's head?
So where is he now?
He's at our usual spot.
You know what to do. Fix your meeting.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay, boss. Okay, boss.
Whatever he did in secret, one day must come to light. Your family, your money, even nature cannot save.
Coming. Machi.
My princess.
I hope you're not here to clean my room and wash my clothes because I've already done that. So go to your room.
No, my princess, not at all. I am here to give you some information.
Information? What
Yes.
information?
Let me sit. You know the other time you told me to be watching the prince, that in case if I notice anything, I should come and tell you.
Yeah.
And since then, I've got my eyes on the prince.
So tell me, what information do you have for me?
You know, it's about the bloodstain on the prince's clothes. I don't know. Did your mother tell you about it?
Bloodstain?
Yes.
What's bloodstain?
You mean your mother did not tell you? I thought she told you. You know, the other day, I was washing the prince's clothes and I saw blood stains on it. I told the queen she said she will ask him. But later the prince came back to beat me up, asking why I told the queen. Poor me now, what will I do? I have to apologize to him.
I'm wondering. This is really strange. Why didn't anyone tell me about this? And Machi,
my princess,
why did you bring up this matter now?
You know that after I saw that bloodstain, all of a sudden, that girl came here in search of her friend that visited the prince. So when I'm
wondering why nobody told me about it.
Yeah, also. Are you sure boss is going to show up? Boss. I've already told him we'll have a deal for him, so very soon he'll be here. Trust boss now, he's going to be here.
I believe you.
Yeah.
I can't wait to send him to Afterlife. Boss do the buga. Boss do the para. I could collect all the money and no go miss it for him.
So, see boss, boss deserves to die. In fact, anything more than die. But see, let me tell you, not until we don't collect our ransom before you go buy him. You understand? Don't go buy him before money.
I know the biz now. I know how to take the run now. Don't worry, make it come today. Today night last day.
Guys,
Afa.
See boss, I want to go and hide now, I'll come out.
Correct.
Once you guys are done talking.
Correct. I believe you. Correct.
It is boss.
Where's Friday?
He's coming. He's coming.
You said you have a deal for me.
Yes, I have a day for you. But we have to wait for Friday to come. You will love this day.
Ejika.
Boss.
Ejika.
Boss.
Ejika, can you remember when your father was in the hospital fighting for his life?
I do.
You went to your family members. You went to your uncles. None of them were ready to help you. You came to me crying that your father was about to lose his life. I came through for you, Ejike. I solved your problem.
Boss, I remember all that, and I am so grateful for that. I am grateful.
Are you grateful? Are you sure you're grateful?
Yes, I am. I am.
Friday, that wasn't the plan, bro.
Have you seen how terrible I felt when he told me you wanted to?
Boss, it was Friday.
Tighten it!
Ow! Bro.
Tighten it!
Bro.
In your next life, do not try. Do not try to dare a very big guy. I loved you as a brother, but you chose death over me. Dismissal.
Now that police have finally begun investigation into the matter, I believe the truth will come out soon.
You know there's no law in this country. You know it. If only my daughter remembered the promise she made to me, never to follow any man, she wouldn't have been involved. And the Mudoli will look at me.
Mama, please, stop crying, please. I beg you. I was the one that encouraged her. She never wants to go on that date. I can't believe I am guilty of her disappearance. If only I can turn the table around.
Please remember, always to be ready to testify. Anytime you are called, how the priest took my daughter on a date. Please, always be ready.
Mama, please stop crying. Mama, please. I promise you I will do anything. I can go to any extent to make sure the prince of his fellow kingdom pay for the disappearance of Urena. He must tell us what happened to my friend. He must tell us what happened. He must tell us what happened to my...
Everybody want to be the head. Everybody want to be the choosing one. Ogenika na zonu wa ewo. Uwe warasikwa. Uwe warasobi chuku. Ogenika na zonu wa ewo. Uwe warasikwa.
Fede, the bastard and the loser. What are you doing here?
You guys are my privileged right out of a prince.
I know you were shocked and disappointed when my father made it clear that you are a bastard. And a bastard can never sit on the throne. It's not anybody's fault. Accept your fate and back off.
Don't speak to me in such manner.
I will speak to you anywhere I want and you will do nothing. Not be my fault, say, my pops to blow your mom's to will be a shower while waiting for my mother to give him a legitimate child.
You guys said you dare not speak to my mother in such manner in my presence.
Your mother is nothing but a whore. Read my lips. A bastard can never become king. No this and no peace. You can keep sharing your ill-gotten money to the elders, including the Ezemo, campaigning for their support. But read my lips. You are nothing but an illegitimate son. Or do you need a dictionary to understand more what illegitimate means?
How much? How much do you want? I want to pay you off. How much?
Even in your next world, you can't pay people like me off. I'm off here.
Let's watch and see who sits on the throne. Let's watch.
Everybody want to be the head. Everybody want to be the choosing one. Ogenika na zonu wa ewo. Uwe warasikwa. Uwe warasobi chuku. Ogenika na zonu wa ewo. Uwe warasikwa. Uwe warasobi chuku.
Machi. Excuse me. Machi, abeg, that thing wey you tell me here that day. You remember the day where you come here, come tell me, say, you dey suspect the prince. Be like, say, prince na murderer. Say, prince get one girl where he invite. The girl now, them they find am. That girl, when that thing where you come tell me here. I beg, repeat am. I want you to repeat.
Prince key person. I don't understand this thing wey they talk.
No, the day where you come meet me here, say, prince be like, say, he get Bloodstain. wey him get for him body. Say be like say na him kill girl wey dem dey find and all that. I wan make you explain that thing well for me.
Gear, wey dem. When me and you take discuss this kind thing, make una see me see wahala o.
Wetin dey worry dis girl? You dey get short memory. You dey get memory loss. The day wey you come meet me wey I sit down here, wey you dey tell me say Prince, this one, that one, Bloodstain for him body, wey I dey try to tell you make you come.
Come on, shut up there. You and who talk that kind thing?
Jesus Christ.
See o, make una see me see wahala o. If Prince hear come, you see Prince keep person. Make Prince hear this kind thing for your mouth. Now throw away, then go throw away for this palace.
Jesus
See
Christ.
this boy, you. When me and you dey.
Wait, I won't understand.
Shut up! You no get work. Now I'm a born. Now you dey do up and down inside this palace. I'm a born. Now be your work. Go find work, oh.
Wait, wait first. Now the lie where you use correct English, the gossip where you use correct English, tell me here. Now you dey use pidgin, they deny.
I beg you, come on for my phone. I beg Lord, send me message.
Hey! You see? When I see as life they be, you see am. The day where they try stay away from this girl, they tell her shift, they talk that in shift. He can't be like side they play. You see am? If to say wahala come out now, she been at this pidgin English, she for take sell me. Thank God. See how she take deny am now. See am? Easy English talk at
Your sons to be thrown. To be in that throne, it will not work. So it is a good thing that he go in there for this open debate.
No, open debate with that bastard over my dead body would not happen. Besides, you and I know that I know nothing about our custom and tradition. He knows more about those things. You want me to go and ridicule myself publicly? I will beat him publicly. I will beat him publicly.
Yes or no, like he said, he knows our custom and tradition more than Ugeze. This is just an avenue to make a public mockery of him. I won't let it know. I'm sorry. I do have to put a stop to it.
Yes.
I wish I can, my prince. Honestly. And if our prince here does not go for that open debate, that has given an avenue for that bastard to be enthroned.
Oh no.
See, my prince, listen. I'm going to be there with you. You know I will always support you. And you know our people listen.